All right, gentle anglers. We entered this little trout tournament. We got like 30 minutes with the girls, fishing a trout magnet. See if we can't find ourselves something real nice. Oh, there we go. Big fish. Elise! Elise! There we go. Whoa. All right. Got a nice fish, Elise. Hold on. Can you get me the measuring board? Thanks. Okay. Can you hold this? Thanks. Got a bunch of grass in here. Get the grass out. Here we go. Do you want to reel it in for me? We'll give him a breath of air. And then I need that. Well, not yet, actually. You're okay. I'll tell you when. This is a lot to juggle. Okay. Let's see if we can enter a fish here. Enter a fish. Okay. Okay. I know, Viv. That's a nice one, huh? Yeah, Viv. Yeah.
I want to touch it. Can I touch it?
Fish?
Wow.
Touch it, Viv?
Touching it.
Okay. All right,
Wow.
little fish. Whoa. Submit. We did it! High five! We entered a fish in the tournament. All right, show me your big jump. Nice big jump. Very cool. Throw! Nice. Yes. You could do it. I believe in you. You can do anything. Yay. Oh, you're right. You're right. You're so right. Where did it go? It just swam right up there. There's another one. Those are the monsters. Those are the monster fish that we're trying to get. Swimming up the waterfall. Crazy. The big old fish? All right, we just got a few more minutes, few casts left. I tied out a tiny white curly head jig. Vivian's throwing rocks. I saw some monsters in there. We'll see. There's a fish. Uh-oh. We are really stuck in there. Okay. Oh, strange situation. I'm glad Vivian's not on my back right now. Another nice brown. Not as big as the last one. There we go. Another beautiful brown. Probably about the same. Gentle anglers, hello. Welcome to the garage. Okay, the kids are home. We're gonna go back out there and give it a shot because the biggest brown I've ever caught, my PB was 21 inches, but it was in the dark. So that's where we're gonna go out and try again. We saw some big ones. Hopefully they're still there. Can use stuff like this, you know, so they can detect emotion. All right, so I did go back out there. You could see here the footage was terrible, even though I had lights. So here are a few stills. I did manage to land a couple fish, which was awesome in the dark. My total length of best 3 fish ended up being 45 inches. The leaders are sitting comfortably at 63 inches right now. So got a big ways to go, but that's fishing. That's the beauty of fishing. There's a prize for the biggest stringer of 3 fish and the single biggest fish. Those are the only 2 prize categories. So got a ways to go, but I'm still going to put in the work. It's if anything can happen. Thank you for watching.